Hey guys, what is going on? It is Dr. Linz here, and today we are going to be doing an amazing supplement review, and we're going to be going over liver detox. This is something I'm taking right now and can be very applicable to you to cycle into your day. But before I get into it, don't forget to give this a like and subscribe so you never miss another helpful video. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. I understand liver detox. What the heck? Why would I even use this? So let me tell you here. The reason why I am taking the liver detox is because I have been on birth control, or was on birth control, for upwards of 10 years. So a very long time. So being on birth control can deplete the liver. Other things I've done as well is, drink alcohol. I've taken medication, Tylenol, Advil, ibuprofen, and other people that I help are on things like antidepressants. They're still on birth control. These things can impede how our liver functions. And why is that important? I'm going to quickly tell you, because if you don't know why it's important, then you don't understand why this liver detox supplement is important. Is because it is a natural detoxifier. Okay, we like to detox. We like to try all these detoxes. Well, our liver inside of us actually filters out toxins. And if our liver is not working properly because of those said things I said earlier, which I have done too, it impedes that function of the liver to be able to excrete and get rid of those toxins. Okay, so this is why liver detox is very awesome to cycle in yearly to help that liver function to the best of its ability and get rid of those toxins. So since I've started taking the liver detox, it's not something that I'm like, whoa, I'm taking a pre-workout, I can feel that caffeine. This is something that has really helped just reboot that liver for me. So as of right now, I have felt very good. I have not felt bloated. I have felt more energy, and I feel overall just well, if that makes sense. A big thing I've noticed too is my menstrual cycle. So one thing the liver does is help get rid of that estrogen. We don't want too much of that. That can give us bloating, cramping, heavy periods. So adding in this liver detox has also helped with my menstrual cycles, which is super cool. So in order to take this in your day, there's 5 capsules to take daily. So I take 2 for breakfast and 3 at lunch with food. And they're very easy to take. As you can see, let me show you, since this is a little review, you can see they're just a normal capsule, which is very easy to take. So I do highly recommend this to my clients who have been on things like birth control, taking a lot of prescriptions and medications, have drank alcohol consistently across time, because our liver is super important for our hormones and to detox our body. So if you have any questions, please drop them below. The link to liver detox will be below as well. That does help support me. I love you guys so much, and I truly hope that this was helpful to you.